Right, I've just got these drive shafts brand new, 2 packs here. You can see the packaging there. The truck still has 3 in, and this one that's broken is over here. Now these are all brand new from the factory, and all of them are actually broken already, and I literally haven't even put them in the car. You can see they're brand new. I literally just got them now. Open them up. Now if we look on here, I don't know if you can see that. If it didn't roll away, that would help. Just there. Come on, focus. There, you can see there's a little crack right in line where the pin is. Just there. These are fresh out of the packet. You'll see the rest of the drive shaft. It's perfectly fine on this one. But yeah, there's a crack in that one there. So I'll put that one over there. It is number 2. Side's okay. That side's okay. Side's okay. There's the crack in that one. So you can clearly see it just there on that side. And the other side is okay. That side is okay, and that side is okay as well. So on those 2, which both came in the same pack, there's only a crack on the one side. Stupid thing focus, there we go. Alright, now these 2 from over here. Let's have a look at these. That one's okay. It's okay. Now the crack on this one should be fairly obvious. It's just there. This is fresh out of the packet. You can see it's not even in line with the pin. And then there's one on the other side right there as well. Just there. This side's okay. But there's a split all the way from there to there, so that drive shaft's going to last about 5 minutes. This little pin here is going to fall out, and then at drive shaft number 4. Let's get the camera in focus again. There we go. Right. Crack there. You can see that just there. That side's okay. That side is okay. And there's a crack just there. That's quite a big one. So on this one there's 2 cracks, one on that side and one on that side, so you can see that split is going all the way through. So on these 2 drive shafts here, it's got 2 splits, and on this one, or these 2, they've only got 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these, put those over there. It's the packaging they came in. Actually came via FedEx. So I'm going to put the new ones over there. Don't know where the bag went. The bag's there for the other one. So that's the brand new ones. I'm going to take this wheel off here. Right, let's see if I can get this out with one hand. Trying to do this all in one take, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to actually. Might need two hands. We'll see. So wheel hex off. Try and get that out at that end first. Hopefully the video doesn't shut off on me. I'm going to have to take the bottom out as well, 1 second. Alright, so I just had to take that bit off this one, and you can see pins coming out. This one is off the truck, just to be clear. So it is a bit dirty. That side looks okay. That side has a crack in it. Come on, focus. Just there. And the other side has a crack in it as well, but the pins, you can see that there. You can clearly see the crack, which is why that pin's falling out. It's actually a crack there as well. This one's cracked on all four sides. Oh no, just three. This one's cracked on three sides, and the pin's starting to come out. That was on this back side. So I'll get the other two out as well, I might as well. The other four brand new ones, by the way, are still there. So I've just got another one out. This is from the front exhaust side of the truck. And this one, pin's okay, not falling out yet. However, side's okay. Side's okay. That's the one with a crack on. You can see it just there. It's only got one crack, this one, so it's not too bad. So yeah, that one's from the front exhaust side. Only one crack. Pin seems pretty okay. It's two. Might as well put the broken one over here as well. Alright, I'll get the last one out. So this is the final one. This is from the exhaust rear. It was covered in fuel and oil and stuff, so I've just wiped it over. You can see I haven't got any shafts in the truck anymore. There's three there. So, just focus you in again. You'll be able to see that this one is the only one that's not cracked. So, that is literally one out of all of them. which isn't cracked, and all of the brand new ones which I just bought are. So yeah, it's pretty bad. Anyway, that's it for this one. There we go, we've got one dead, one almost dying, and then all these new ones over here cracked from the factory. So Hobao need to sort this out. I haven't had a response from my previous thing about them breaking, but I would say on the whole it's looking like a manufactured defect rather than my terrible driving skills. And yeah, that's it for this one. Goodbye.